In this video, we'll show you how to add and customize the Products widget on your WordPress website using the responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you what the Products widget looks like. The Products widget allows you to quickly display WooCommerce products on any page of your website in an attractive manner. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the responsive Elementor add-ons plugin installed on your website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down, and look for responsive Elementor add-ons. Now, look for the Products widget. You can also type Products in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this widget. Under Edit Products, you will see 3 tabs. Under Content, in the Layouts tab, you can select the type of layout for displaying the products. You can also select from the different preset styles to display the products and set the number of columns. In the Product Settings tab, select the source to be products or dynamic. Here, you can also set the filter, order by, and the order of the products. You can also display the required count of the products and set the offset. Now, choose to display the type of product categories created. And select the type of layout to display the products. You can also choose the HTML tag for the title, show product rating, and product price. Now, you can set the product image size, and choose to display an option to compare the products. The Image Clickable option enables the product images to be clickable and directs the users to the product page. In the Sale or Stockout badge, you can find options to set the style and text for the sale and stockout badges. In the Add to Cart tab, you can choose whether to show the Add to Cart custom text, and enter the button text for different products. In the Load More tab, you can display the Load More button below, and add its text. In the Pagination tab, you can find the option to add the pagination to the Products widget. Now, let's move on to the Style settings. In the Products tab, select the alignment for the products, and set the background color for normal and hover. You can also select a border type for the products and set its width and color. Here, you can also add a box shadow to the products and set the border radius. In the Color and Typography tab, you can set the color and typography options for product title, product price, and the star rating. Under the Add to Cart Button Styles tab, you can set the padding and radius for the button. You can also use a gradient background for the button. Then, you can set the button color, background color, border type, and typography settings for the Add to Cart button. In the Sale Badge tab, you can set the color, background, and typography for the sale and stockout badges. In the Pop-up tab, you can find options to set the typography and colors for the title, price, content, sale, and quantity for the pop-up. You can also add a border to the cart button and set the radius. Here, you can also adjust the icon and button size for the close button on the pop-up and even add a box shadow. In the Compare Button tab, you can find various options to customize the Compare button as per your liking. Now, let's move on to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the padding and margin of the block, and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to the Products widget, set the background color, and customize the borders of the widget. You may also choose a mask for the widget, and adjust its positioning. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update. And there you go. You have a customized Products widget on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about responsive Elementor add-ons in WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next video.